Hey, I'm so excited to finally be able to share my famous blooms painting workshop online. It's changed the lives of literally thousands of students. So when people come to me usually for a 4-day and 1 evening workshop, they get to paint 2 beautiful paintings. We're actually going to do 3 and we've got months to do it. So you can work at your own pace at home with me and front row seats. Now, you don't need to have been born with a creative bone in your body. You don't need to have somebody famous in the family who was a painter, or you might have somebody in the family who's a painter and you're worried about superseding them. Hey, you're gonna get better than they are probably, because my blooms painting method is a fast accelerator into painting. You're gonna learn so much. You're gonna learn how to problem solve, how to blend, how to handle the paint, even if you've never painted before. I've had total newbies become selling artists within a year and do awesome work. So I want you to have choices too. Now, some of us put our creativity and ourselves on the back burner. We're so busy looking after everybody else in our lives. Don't you think it's time that you gave yourself a little bit of what you want? Now, there's never been this better opportunity. I've traveled the world. I've been to LA, New Zealand, all over Australia, and I've even toured in France and in the UK. My beautiful blooms painting method, and everybody loves it. Only have to go look at the 5-star Google reviews to see what a difference it's made for so many people. And now you can do it from the comfort of home with bonus paintings thrown in. So don't miss out. Time to light your own bonfire. Time to get started and really let yourself go into your creativity. I can't wait to see you. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have so much fun together as well.